How to eliminate acne marks with natural remedies. After doing a treatment to remove blemishes on your skin, it's likely that your face will have spots or scars. These acne marks can be a little difficult to remove, but not impossible. In the article below, you will find out some recipes and home remedies to remove marks caused by acne. Home treatments for acne marks. Among the most known advantages of these natural remedies, there are the facts that they are not harmful to your health, are very economic, and you can get the ingredients with no problems. You may even have some in your home. Your skin will not be exfoliated with chemical or harmful products. There are two types of treatments to remove. Citrus. They have a citrus fruit or vegetable as a base that works to clear up your skin's appearance, get rid of dead skin, and block the production of grease so that the blemishes do not reappear. You will need to apply these remedies at night and not leave the house before rinsing your face well because it could cause dark spots. Oils. Mix a few essential oils or use them as a base for a home remedy that gets rid of acne and its scars, and allows for a reduction in the characteristic reddish pigmentation. You will get the results if the treatment is done every night. Natural remedies to remove acne marks. Rose hip oil. Pour a few drops of this essential oil dissolved in water on a cotton ball and then apply it to the spots that have dark spots. Coconut and turmeric oil. Mix a tablespoon of coconut oil with a teaspoon of turmeric or saffron. Apply it to your skin every day when you wake up. It is very effective. Brown sugar. Melt a little bit of brown sugar in boiling water until it thickens. If you have oily skin, add a few drops of lemon juice. If your skin is dry, add a few drops of olive oil. Let chill and then apply it to the affected area. Ear yeast. This home remedy helps prevent acne from coming back. Consume a tablespoon with your meals every day. You can also make a mask by mixing it with a little bit of milk. Apply this paste to your face, let dry, and rinse. Pineapple puree. Crush a fresh pineapple slice until it becomes a puree. Apply it to your face on the dark spots and let sit for 15 minutes. Because of the large amount of vitamin C in this fruit, your skin will produce more collagen. It also has ascorbic acid that fades acne scars and will gently exfoliate it. Baking soda. This ingredient has a lot of advantages, which is why it is used for many purposes in the world of cosmetics, health, and home. Apply baking soda directly to acne scars and wet it with a little bit of water to spread it out better. Let sit for a few seconds and then wash your skin with warm water. Chamomile. This flower has antiseptic properties, which makes it one of the best home remedies to eliminate acne marks. Make an infusion with a tablespoon of chamomile flowers per cup of water. Let chill, and apply wet compresses to your skin. You can also take chamomile baths with a cup of flowers per 2 liters of water for 15 minutes if you don't have scars just on your face. Aloe vera, as if it could be anything else, aloe vera is an undisputed ally for anything related to aesthetics and health. Remove the pulp from the stem and apply it to your skin every night. Let it get absorbed and dry without rinsing it. Lemon juice, it clears up dark spots that stay on your skin because of acne. Apply it to your entire face before going to bed and don't go outside until you rinse it off well because the acids can have an opposite effect. Olive oil. This is an effective treatment to remove acne marks. You will need to soak a cotton ball with a few drops of it and put it on the affected area. To get an exfoliating effect, you can put a little bit of pressure on the cotton ball. Crushed tomato. This fruit contains vitamin A, which repairs and rejuvenates your skin. Just crush half a tomato and apply it to your face and let sit for 15 minutes. Rinse off with plenty of water. Honey. Honey moisturizes your skin and also removes any remaining scars. It is good for toning color. Apply layer to your face, let sit for 15 minutes, and rinse with plenty of water. Vitamin C. Your diet also has a lot to do with the improvement in the treatments you choose. For that reason, don't hesitate to add a few beneficial ingredients to your diet like fish and soy, rich in collagen, strawberries, raspberries and blackberries, for the vitamin C, and tomatoes, for the lycopene. Egg white. Separate the yolks from the egg whites and use the latter. Beat them well until you get a thick paste. If you have oily skin, apply a little bit of lemon juice to get better results. Wash your face well and apply the mask. Let sit for 20 minutes and then wash with warm water. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week to make red acne marks disappear. Nutmeg. Mix a tablespoon of milk with nutmeg and spread it on your face to remove dead skin and close up the marks on your skin that lead to blemishes.